go. Welcome to the stream, everyone. Hopefully this stream goes as expected to. Just give me a few seconds to load everything up. Yo Nick, what's up? I hope you can hear me. I don't think it seems so dizzy. Just give me a few seconds, guys. Should be fine now. Welcome back, guys. Sorry. Hello, Nick. Hello, Jeremy. The thing we talked about in London session, that I was looking at these two lows and eventually going down to these lows as well, at 829. We have lots of lows there. It is doing that. So feels good that we were on right side, just that it wanted to do it after sweeping these two highs, equal highs, and then even just before ending the stream I said that if we get any displacement FVG we can enter, and to be honest I also did enter on this 3-minute FVG, made around $800, so not bad. Now it's going towards 829s without any hesitations, so yeah. Euro, you means? If you mean EUR by euros, I don't trade euro. I don't trade forex market at all. Only futures and NQ. Nothing else. Let's say if we get sweep below this 829, when we open up at 930, we already did, sorry, my bad. Let's say if we get further pushed to downside and then push to the upside FVG MSS, we can enter on that. No, only NQ. I did only NQ, nothing else. To trade live I'll have to open Quantar and it's giving me some tough time from background. Let's see if we can do it again. I have account with Topstep in Quantar. We can get MSS from here as well, not going all the way down there. Yeah, so gotta keep that in mind too. Nope, I don't use ES at all for confirmation. You will only see one chart open in front of me, that is NQ. I refer back to its time frames, different time frames. I should do it, but yeah. Modi is gonna pump Nasdaq up now. Election had a good impact on Indian market. That's a great push. We are having MSS. Let's say if it respects this FPG, goes to the upside and we create another one, that would be our confirmation to enter the market. Not yet. See, it just ripped through that FPG. We don't like that. If you watch it in 3 minutes, it was just a week. going for 829s now beautifully. Let's see on a higher time frame what it wants to do on daily chart. We are almost so close to sweeping these lows and getting into this FVG. Let's see if it does it, or this was enough for it to just leave it open now. Even weekly we are approaching the FVGs, so should go down further. That's what the higher time frame says, but yeah, we're gonna enter on 1 minute, 5 minute, or even second charts. Yeah, true. 829s or below that we have lows. Not doing anything interesting yet. We can enter on, gotta wait and be patient with it. Give me a few minutes if I can open Con Tower. Let's see if we can trade. on Conta or on stream. Never been the case. Don't know about the comparison in between NQ and NQ futures. Just gotta focus with what we have. So that's my account. चालत नाही यार वस्तू ना चला It's fine, we're just gonna keep ourselves to trading view for now. Contar is not friendly, I guess. It's gonna give us a bit of trouble, so it's fine. I won't be trading. So I have already made $800, so it's fine. I'm so sorry. Just I think we are back and up running now. I won't change anything. It's fine if I won't able to trade. Let's just analyze this session first. Not doing anything else. We'll be taking trade on this account though. Not real, but trades are gonna be real, so it's fine. It's trying to take this 829 first and then go to the upside. That's why it's doing this. So we'll have to just wait for it to take out this bunch of lows that we have here. So let's wait for that, and yeah. I think it should push down to 28 now anytime soon. We have FEG which is supporting it to take out that liquidity. So should do it pretty soon. I know it's gonna dance around for a while, but should do it. Dancing around, trying to push through that 37's level, 35's now. Each opening candle will give it a hard time. Every candle which opens will try to push it upside because of this price range. So yeah, gotta keep that in mind. But we are not here to scalp, we are here to take trade after taking out these lows and whatever is left in AM session. Should push hard now anytime. It's fun to predict these things on lower time frames. Let's see it push down now anytime. If it doesn't, then it's just chopping around for now. Insane. That wix tells you the story, I mean where we are going. Not ready to push upside. Until 11:30 if I don't see anything, or even at 10:30 sometime, because you don't get something then you should exit. So that should have been your 20-point trade with 2 contracts, and should have been nice trade if you are in it, but we are not here to scalp. That's supposed to hit 29s now. That's a good trade, good small scalp. Let me get back up that music, otherwise it will be depressing. That's supposed to 26 now. That's a nice. Let's see how many lows. What is the lowest low point here? That would be somewhere around here, so we can push to 96 as well. 796, but 29 was our initial target. They are done, so any pullback from here we're gonna watch out. ना माइनस था पहला क्या रे है ना It depends on the price action whenever you call it a session as well. Let's see if it pullbacks anytime. We're just gonna keep this 2 hour 29s, which are our liquidity draw. Now for it to give us something, there we go. That's our MSS marked out. Let's see what it does. The thing is, we don't have anything interesting up there. We can target these highs as well if we want, or maybe this bunch of highs. Nothing interesting up there to target for. Depends on your trading style where you wanna exit. If we were get to in, or if you are like to hit high, then this new week opening gaps. We already have MSS on 15-second chart, making wicks for it to go upside. Well, let's just stick with 1 minute chart for now. This you can count as MSS too, but I want more confirmation. If you count this as MSS, then your target could be this. So, we are looking at the bigger picture as always. Yeah, what I used to do is I used to take first entry as soon as it happens. I think 2 months ago, but then I got in some heavy break-even weeks, which I don't like it. It's fine, it's break-even, it's not in loss, but still I don't like it, because with my model, with the model I trade with, should be profitable at the end of the week, and that's how you become profitable throughout the year. But then I decided to go with more confirmation with higher time frames. I mean, could have entered on 15 seconds here. It did not feel FPG, but I could have entered here as well, somewhere where it was making those wicks at 48s, and could exit at 71s. But now I avoid those kind of stuff. Want something big in the moment. Speaking at my highest voice here. Rupees. Sorry if it's at its highest voice as well. Let's see if I can do anything. Hello. It's gonna be the same. I mean, gain not gonna do anything for me here. So if you want, I can little bit turn off the music, so you won't be able to hear it that much, so you can hear me clearly. Thank you, Nick. Thank you, Ivo. Hopefully me increasing that thing didn't spoil it. So if I was trading 2 months ago, if could have entered here at this FPG, but it doesn't give me any information about MSS, because if you see, we are just going down structure wise. There's no higher high coming, higher high coming after higher low. I need it to break this structure, go out of this crap, and then we can go for longs. Yes, you can have a good entry here, but don't want to take that risk either. Let's see if it respects this FVG and we go higher, or if it comes back. Not the entry point we want, but if it respects it, then it's good for our bias and everything. Yeah, exactly, that's what I'm talking about. If it respects this FVG and create another FVG, then we can go into that. But if you enter here, then it's more risk, and you don't know where to put your stops either. If you put your stops here, then it's like 80% of the time you will be taken out easily with another push. See the way it's not reacting from that FVG? I don't like it, and that's the reason I don't enter on the first FVGs anymore. It should react quickly and come back up. Yep, true, Nick. That's the way to trade. If it doesn't respect that, then as I said, we can go way further down to 90s here. That can be the case. And if we don't get entry, it's fine. There's always tomorrow to trade. Already up $800 on a day, so shouldn't be rushing into anything. There we go. That's something which takes you out always. The second one. It looks like building area. No. Don't risk your money here. It's not worth it to go longs. The only thing you can gain from entering here is a better entry. I mean, you could enter and get some more points, but it's not worth the risk of $400, you know. It can anytime make a big week on 15-minute charts and takes us out everywhere. So take it easy for now. Then at the end of the day, at the end of all the discussion, it's your choice. It's not that my trading style is always the best. And look at the structure on 1 minute as well. It doesn't look like that we are going up, even if we end up going up, not giving us confidence in. Balance price range, yeah, for us to go down. There we go. That's the disrespect of that 1 minute FVG we were talking about, and this is the reason why I said not to enter here. Wait for us to par this level 873s. I know it's like 20, 30, 40 points away, but it's just oh, if you get this confirmation everything, then yeah, of course you should risk it. If you are confident in the setup, then yes. Otherwise, too many BPRs on 5-second charts. Yeah, I saw it too. Let's say if we get something that we want to see. That's the push we need. That's the structure we need. We need some 10-15 point boost, and I think it should be done with making this 1 minute FVG here, and then we can enter on that and risk our money there. That would be nice. Not risking before that. Let's see if we make any FVGs here. You won't let me draw before it's gonna get blown out. On 30-second chart I can see lots of entries. We're gonna just stay away from them for now. Want it to push above 75s and then we can look for longs, but having hard time filling those 30-second FVGs before it goes to that 75s level. Yes, we could miss some entries here, but not risking anything on Mondays after making $800. That's the mindset. Yeah, I'll wait for FVG to enter. Coming down to fill that 1 minute FVG. Let's see if we can respect that FVG and then continue to go upside. if we leave that FEG open, then there's always risk that we're gonna come back to fill it, so it's better that we fill it right now. Alright, it filled that 30-second FEG and running away for now. It's oddly respecting the FEGs. If you see here, we close below that FEG, then suddenly pumped back up even in this 30-second FEG. Seems a bit odd, but we'll take it. There you go, coming back for that FEG. And if you see why I don't want to enter, if you see this price range, it's just contained. It's a stop area, so want it to leave there and then come back for us to give us, and for it to give us like entry in discount area. There we go, coming back. Let's see if we respect this 1 minute FEG. Let me draw it, so it will be okay. There we go. Respecting these two FEGs are overlapping on each other, 30-second and 1 minute to the perfect. Let's see if it respects this and makes a new high here, which will trigger me to enter somewhere in new FEGs. Otherwise we're gonna stay out of the business for now. Not interested in this choppy area at all. Once we leave this area, then will be nice. Coming back to that FEG again. Boring price action till now. It's always gonna do this if you are watching NQ since, I mean, if you spend some time with NQ, it's gonna run through one side and then it's gonna consolidate for a bit and then it's gonna run to either side. It takes it time for it to do it. It gets tired for some time. Wanting it to respect that FEG, but let's see. Otherwise we won't get any entries. That's the only reason. If we don't get entry on longs, then I don't think so that's a possibility of us to enter on shorts, even if we break this level. Not trading whole December. I'll be done with on my funded accounts at 15th of December, or maybe I'll extend to 28th, but that's only, I think 15th December I'll be done with my funded accounts. Not trading whole December. I may come to live stream even after that, but not trading. There we go, disrespecting it, going through it like it's not even there. We have something here where we can bounce off it, but let's see. Boring price action, boring. The only reason to not trade is not that there's no volume and not blah 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 and whatnot. The only reason is that we take some time off from trading, like 15 days. It would be nice to have some fresh mind before we get into trading again on 1st January. If we have a weekday on that, I haven't seen it but checked it on, but let's see. There you go, shattering all the dreams of us going to the upside. Now it's gonna refer to that lows again. That's a dump. I think we're gonna refer back to very lows. Let's see how further we go down. As I said, 90s can be a target if you are in short, but longs are not in question for now. Longs are not at all in question. Yeah, true. There can be a manipulation after that 1 minute consolidation, and then we can pump back. But the only thing I'm sorry, I was a little bit distracted. The only thing I'm saying is that if we sweep these lows, we'll be entering into this new untouched FVG, and market wants, draws to the liquidities. That would be nice for it. So let's see. There we go, that's a dump. 90s looks reachable now. Let's see how big of a retracement deep it wants. Let's see on daily candle what it's doing. Yeah, see, if you see this, this is the low I'm referring to. This candle's week's low here, 796. You know, let's see. Very bearish on 1 hour 30 minute. Looks heavily bearish to me, market. Now that we did not get that MSS FVG, that gives us a confluence. I think yep. Coming back up on 1 minute chart. Yeah, looks like we are going through that. Let's see us push through double O's first, 8 double O's. Trying hard to do it. O2s and that was too good scalp if we were to take trades, but you know. There we go. That's the draw. Nothing left in this session anymore. Still we have I think 2 hours left, almost 1.5 hours, but I don't think anything interesting will happen. If it does, then that's the only thing that we're gonna continue to go downside until we get into these FVGs or maybe discount area somewhere market wants to go. $15, look at the 15-minute. We were short here, somewhere here in the London session. we had those swept above those highs. Mentioned that if we can get any confirmation, sorry, stuttering, confirmation after this high sweeping, MSS, FVG, displacement, everything. That's a way deeper retracement. 200 points trade. That's insane. Just keep going down. There's not been any green candle in 15 minutes other than the small candle we can see there in last 10 candles. That's how much of a big retracement we are having on NQ. Somebody said Nasdaq will pump up because of Modi. Don't see it happening. Modi failed here. Through 70s, 60s. Look at that dump. Sheer dump. Not stopping. Alright, this is technical move. It has to get some buy orders near 15,500 levels. Can't expect vertical move upside without any retracement to create daily high low. Alright, my bad that I was expecting anything. 1505, that's a way bigger retracement. Way bigger retracement. Could happen, I mean, could happen. All right, full flag. That's a red flag for me. PM is bit hard for me to trade. Let's see if I come live. That's a 2 stream in a day, so won't be streaming anymore. I'll see you in London, Nick, tomorrow. After this stream. Alright, bye Preeti. See you tomorrow in London session. Alright, you too, man. Rupesh. Stream is on till 9:10. More 6 minutes and I'll be off. See you tomorrow, Rupesh. We are one subscriber away from 170. If any of you haven't subscribed yet, do please. Let's get to 170. 200 is the target before we end this year. That's a dump. Look at that. We have seen it go down at least after 9:30. I think 9:36 was the time when I came live, right? 150 points. Clear push to the downside, nothing else. Alright, let's do this every day. Quick London session stream, 1.5 hour, and quick New York session stream. If we don't find anything, we'll just get off. So that keeps me fresh for new day. And for my personal accounts as well, I'll be trading in PM and after this session as well, after 11, because I can't trade them here for some reason. I'll figure out something about that soon. And see you guys tomorrow with London session. Until then, stay safe, trade smart, trade like Gamecraft, fall forward. See you tomorrow.